Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. Good morning to you all. देव बरें करूं तुमकां सगल्यांक म्हज्या गोंयकारा भाव भयणांक येवकार दिता तुमकां म्हाज्या चॅनलाचेर. आनी आयज हांव दाखयता आमचें दुकराचें मांस तें आमसोल सोलांतलें दुकरा मांस. सो कितें कितें जाय तें तुका सांगता. So today I am going to show you all a pork dish which is called, it's a Goan dish. It is called pork Amsol, or it's like made out of Solantulem, like because we are using this. So it is called that kokum. This is kokum petal. So because we are using this, so it is called Solantulem Amsol. For that we need 1 kg of pork. Now this pork, this was there in the fridge, that's why it was covered like this. It was for 2 days, and I put around 2 tablespoons, okay, 2 tablespoons of salt. That's it. After washing, and it is like this pieces. Fatter is bigger. So this is 1 kg. I applied 2 tablespoons of salt and I kept it in fridge for 2 days. I didn't see. You cover it and you keep it. So this is the after 2 days. Then we need, this is 2 balls of tamarind. So it's like, I'll show you this, which is soaked. So much of tamarind you need. Then you soak it in water. Then I have taken, these are my grandmother's favorite onion, and she was saying for all the meat it is always good to use these white onions. Okay, it is medicinal also and it is good also, but if you don't have this, then you can always use red onion. So I have taken this 2 big, it was big, 2 big onion of this and 1 of this. I'll show you also 2 big onion which size. Then I am going to add for extra. This is like, my grandmother always says that pork meat is like a little bit not tastier than if we don't add this. So I am going to add this. Okay, this is like around 3 inches of ginger. Then I am going to put this whole 4 garlic. Now if you have bigger than this, then 2 is enough, but these are the smaller one. Goan, so I am using 4 of this, and this is like around 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 of this kokum, easily available on Amazon or Mapsa market, Panjim market, local sells on Madgaon road, so even Friday market. Okay, so these are the dishes what you need. Then I have taken around 14 of Kashmiri chilies, and we have to break this like this when we are adding. Now I will show you the procedure. Very simple, very easy. Soglang haंव सांगताली English. I speak English and Konkani because many people demanded saying that I should talk Konkani because we are all Goans and Goans are also watching this. So that's why I have to shift from English because a lot of UK people and other countries also watch me. So for them I speak English. For Goan I switch and sorry if it gets confused, but I have to switch. And for those people who don't like my talking or my voice, they can always mute it, and they find the video is very long, then they can always forward it or make it faster. There are a lot of new things on YouTube, like you can forward it or make it fast. You have to change the setting. Okay, and so this all we need. No oil for this. So we'll start our procedure. So when I say like these onions, so it is like this 2 onions, big one. Okay, so now I will add this over here, and I will crush this along with the meat. So now mix this all. So the flavor of the onion get caramelized when it is getting cooked with the fat of the pork. हे मातशे चिड्ड्यात चिड्ड्यात मुड्ड्यात मातशे मासा बरोबर, ताकी हे जेन्ना हे जी वॉस सुट्टेली तेन्ना हे बरे भशेन एकामेकाक कॅरमलायज जातले. तेलाची गरज ना. एक एक डिशाक आमकां तेल घालचें पडटा, तो हें कांय ना, पूण एक एक डिशाक तेलाची गरज ना. जेन्ना आमची मावश्यो बिवश्यो बॉम्बेसान गोंया येताली तेन्ना म्हाजी घरामाय हे मिठाचें खारें मांस करून तांकां पॅक करून दिताली ट्रॅवलिंग करपाक बसीन. खारें मांस म्हणटा आमी न्हू. आनी तेन्ना उत्ताल्यो वस्तू भायर. आतां इतलें वेदर चेंज जाला की कांयच उरोना. Okay, so now this is all done. Now what I am going to do, I will crush this. I'm not going to make fine pieces also, because when it comes in the mouth, ginger some people don't like in my family they don't like. So I'm going to crush this. हे धाडावन घेता हांव आनी मागीर हे हिंगासर अशें सोडटा. हे लसुणी अशीच सोडपाची. Just take this garlic whole and you can put it in this. So we get garlic flavor too. So तुमचे कडेन जें आहा पळय तो फातर आहा जाल्यार फातर घेयात, धाकटे फातर. आनी जेवणचे कडेन फातर ना तेंच्यांनी हे लाटणी घेवन धाडायात. सो जस्ट क्रश दिस सेम वे दिस वन. And we'll just put this like this. The juice will automatically go. Then we will this kokum, and then we'll take all the chilies and हे मातशे मोडून अशें घालात. Now for those people who are getting meat and it is not tender, then you have to use your cooker, okay? Around 4 to 5 whistle in cooker. And I'm going to use this open pan on slow. I've got time today, so let it get cooked on the slow flame. चुलीचेर रांदूंक जाय, चुलीचेर रांदात, आनीक बरें जेवण जाता. These are not spicy chilies. This is only for flavor and this. And we'll add this. So this water is enough, plus the meat which was salted. So now we'll cover this and we'll keep for cooking on low flame till our meat gets cooked. Okay, now yesterday on my again that roast meat which I made because of not whole masala, again I got a comment that I didn't use Goan vinegar. Now माझ्या भावा गोवन विनेगर ना जाल्यार आमी गोंयकारां ओ कोण गोंयकारां न्हू. आतां आमी गोंयकार आमी जाणा गोवाची विनाग्र मेवता पेद्रो म्हणून कंपनी ओ म्हापसा मोदें बाजार आहा पळय थिंगा मेवता ओ खंयसरी मेवता. गोंयकारां जी आदली मनशां विनाग्र करता पळय ती मेवता. पूण म्हाका एक सांगा की आतां विनाग्र गोंयची नांव ना आनी दुसरी विनाक उजार करूंक जाय ना, म्हणजे कोणान रांदूंक जावचें ना मागीर गोंयची विनाक ना जाल्यार आमी दुकराचें मांस आनी गोंयचें जेवण रांदपाचें न्हू, विनाक तो विनाक न्हू. भायल्या गांवांनी कॅनडा आनी अमेरिका आनी जी आमची गोंयकार आहा तांकां गोंयची विनाक मेवतली, मुश्कील घरात करची पडटली न्हू. एनीवे कितें कितें कमेंट मारतात कोण जाणा. एनीवे आय एम जस्ट सेईंग that you all use whatever is available in your home because we are cooking for our family, so just enjoy the cooking. So I always tell in my cooking channel and cooking video that whatever is available in your home kitchen, use those spices. Here and there, up and down can be done because you and your family is going to eat. We are not catering it to the outside or somewhere else. Okay, so let this cook for around I will say, because I am doing it open pan, so it will take, and it is on low flame, so it will take 40 minutes. And in cooker it is like around 4 to 6 whistle and the pork will be done. And if you don't want that juicy wala and if you want little bit dry, then you have to keep it open pan and saute it till the water gets dried. After 5 minutes, check the salt and then we will add if it is needed. Okay, we have already used 2 tablespoons of salt for applying the meat. So if you need, please add according to your taste. But better, I will say, always use less salt for your cooking for a good health. So this is after 20 minutes. See the onions caramelized and juice. We had added only the tamarind water, and Amsol again is like, because we are using tamarind water and solla, that is why it is kokum, where it is Amsol. So see this. So let us cook another 20 minutes. Now for those people who cook in cooker, it will become fast. For those who want to cook it in open pan, then this is the best. Let's check our meat. Now it is 40 minutes. On low flame. So here, see this, you can see. So let it get more little bit caramelized. I think so another, I'll keep another 10 minutes. Okay, so 40 and plus 10 minutes. Now if you want this like this gravy, then it's done. It's all set to eat, come on a plate. But if you want little bit more this dry, then we'll keep this for another 10 minutes. So I'll also keep another 10 minutes. Low flame is very important because it is slow cooked meat. No oil, and the white onions are best for caramelizing this. You don't have to add more onion to this. It's already nicely caramelized, that white onions. It's okay, and it's ready to serve. If you see, wow, see the color also. तर तुमकां म्हणटा की स्लो फ्लेमीचेर जेन्ना तुमी रांदतली 40 मिनटां, तर स्लो फ्लेमाचेर बंद रानात आनी बरें मांस शिजतलें. आनी तेल घालपाची गरज ना, कांय घालपाची गरज ना. कांदो पण बरो कॅरमलायज जाला. धवो कांदो तुमकां मेळत जाल्यार तो इतलो बरो कॅरमलायज जाता पळय. ओके, आनी इतली तरी मातशी ग्रेवी जाय न्हू आमकां पाव बरोबर खावपाक. So this much is enough. But still you want to saute this dry, then leave it for another 5 minutes. But I am okay with this. So hope you all will enjoy this Solantulem dukrache mas. So it is pork Amsol. Amsan is tamarind. Solla is kokum. So pork Amsol and the flavor of the pork and this garlic and the ginger and this kokum and the onion and the chilies and the salt which we had marinated is awesome. It's nicely cooked and it's done. So I hope you all will all enjoy this. Thank you so much. Deo bare karo. So let's serve now. How much you want to eat? Wow. It is so yum. All our Goan dishes are awesome actually. Enjoy this. It's a non-spicy dish. Thank you so much again. I just wanted to show you. This is how it is. Thank you.